Hello, and how are you today? Well, believe it or not, we're up to video blog number 11, and today I'm going to be talking about waterfalls in Tablas Island. I don't know if you've ever felt it on a hot day in the Philippines, but sometimes you just want to go to a cool, relaxing place with water. And I'm excited to tell you, in Tablas Island, we have waterfalls all over the place. And they're all different kinds. So I'd like to invite you to come and cool off in Tablas Island. By the way, it's very easy to get here. It's less than 45 minutes by plane. Like to take a ship that's running 3 times a week, but it's a very, very wonderful, refreshing feeling when you step into nature. So come on over, join us. Thank you, peace, love, and thanks a lot for viewing.